How to permanently delete CapCut videos. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your videos permanently in CapCut from your mobile. It's a super easy process, so watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out any of it. Open CapCut. Now once you open the CapCut, once you are in your home page, you can see many projects right here and you want to delete it permanently. To delete it permanently, just tap on this three dot right here and tap on delete. Now this item will be moved to trash exist. Tap on move and tap on view. From here, repeat the same process and tap on delete. From here, it is permanently deleted and it cannot be restored. So for deleting it permanently, you have to move to the trash and then delete it. Tap on delete and that's it. Your video and project is permanently deleted from CapCut. Repeat the same process for the next videos. Hope this video helped. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video tips. Thank you for watching.